Well, actually, I didn't realize I was making history at that time. I mean, it just never crossed my mind. I got a chance to play, I got a chance to start, and I was glad I got a chance.
They have won 9 of the last 10 meetings. Flex James Bates to his right, throws up the middle. McElroy's got it. He's through to the 45, the 35, the 25. Only one man can get him. McElroy goes over for a touchdown.
The one thing that I've been credited for was catching one pass in one game almost 45 years ago. And that's all it was. I remember that the Black Awareness Committee was the first affinity group to be recognized by the Former Students Association. And our goal back then was to make the need for something like that go away. Aggies had always said we're all one, and we are still all one. But some of us look differently, some of us pray differently, some of us speak differently. That doesn't make us less Aggie, you know. It just means that we came up differently. Diversity can be a strength, you know, and it certainly should be a strength. Something for, I guess, young people to think about before they get old. Do things the right way as you grow old. That way you won't regret what you've done. You can always look back and enjoy it again. Blossom where you plant it and just do what you can.